Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving out of Kingston, but we're actually heading towards St. Thomas this time. So we are on Windward Road heading towards Harbour View. And this is also the route we would take to go to the airport in Kingston, which is the Norman Manley International Airport. Okay, so on the right is the Rockfort police station. So this area is a Rockfort area. Okay, straight ahead that's a Jamaica private power company, and they generate electricity and sell it to the JPS grid. On the right is a gas station. On the left you have a KFC, and anywhere you see a KFC, it's a very populated area, and there are a lot of residential homes, a lot of communities in this area. So straight ahead that's the Jamaica private power company. And it's basically an electricity company, but they don't have the license to sell electricity. Only JPS does, so they have to sell to JPS, and then JPS sells to the customer. It was the same arrangement basically, where Cable and Wireless was the sole provider, had a telecom license in Jamaica. But that industry was deregulated. That's how Digicel was able to operate or start operating in Jamaica. But there is no deregulation of the electricity sector. It's just JPS. Or I should say no deregulation yet. I think there was some talk of deregulation, but nothing has come about yet. Okay, straight ahead now, that's the Jamaica Flour Mills factory. And to the right is the Kingston Harbour. So these factories have ports or berths on the harbour, so the ships can just come in and load and unload the cargo quite easily. I'm sure Jamaica Customs would be involved somehow, because on the right is the berth or the pier, I'm not sure what they call it, but that's where the ships would come and load and unload the flour. And now straight ahead you see this metal thing running across the road. Those are like conveyor belts that move the cargo quite easily. So there's no need to use a truck to transport it or anything. It literally goes towards the pier. And on the right, I'm not sure if the camera is picking it up, but that's a cement company. Straight ahead actually is a cement company facility, and then they have a similar operation where they have a pier or a berth on the Kingston Harbour, and there's actually a ship there now. It's either loading or unloading cargo. There you see a nice view of the cement company. Now the name used to be the Jamaica Cement Company, but it's operated by a Trinidadian company now, so I'm not sure what the name is. I think it changed to TCL, I'm not sure. Okay, on the left is the Rockfort mineral bath. And when it's called a mineral bath because the water that goes there has, I guess it's a healing qualities. It's not the regular water from the pipes. It's from like a spring where basically it's mineral water. Okay, the name of the company on the outside is Carib Cement. And this plant is the largest producer of cement in Jamaica. Now, the cement industry is probably deregulated because people can import cement And a lot of companies do it, bringing cement from China and other places. Okay, so on the right now you can get a nice view of the Kingston Harbour. And that harbour is the 7th largest natural harbour in the world. And it's called a natural harbour because the water in the harbour will never rise. So if you notice, it's literally built right against the road. The harbour comes up to the road, but it will never rise to the point where it will cover the road. Alright, so we're now entering the Harbour View area. And Harbour View is a very large residential area. Thousands of homes. Alright, so we're coming up to the Harbour View roundabout. Now on the left is a new complex, some homes that were just built. Very nicely done. It's called the Seascape. Now this is something you don't see every day. On the left you have a Total gas station. It's empty because, I mean, it operates, but there are no cars there because they sell low sulfur for $285, and that is the most expensive I've ever seen it in Jamaica, anywhere in Jamaica. Now 2 seconds away you have another Total gas station. They sell it for $244, but it's very strange that you see 2 Total gas stations so close to each other. So we had mentioned it in another video, and what somebody said is one was how would you say it now, Total bought out, I think it was Esso. So the Esso gas station that was there turned into a Total, and apparently there was a Total there already. So that's why you ended up with 2 Total gas stations so close to each other. So thanks to the subscriber who left a comment explaining it to us. So basically Total was operating in Jamaica, and so was Esso. And then, so one gas station was a Total, one was a Esso, and then Total bought out Esso. And so the Esso gas station changed its name to Total, and they both operate under the Total brand. But the first one that we came upon, it's in terms of low sulfur, which is what we use. We're in an SUV. That's the most, $285 is the most expensive I've ever seen diesel sulfur in Jamaica. And that gas station is not in the country where the oil tankers have to drive to say in the grill. Not even in the grill they sell it so expensive. But alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.